Everyone has listened to music before, whether in your car or at a restaurant, but have you ever listened to a song and it sent chills down your spine or made the hairs on your arms stand up? This reaction is called musical chills. It feels almost magical or euphoric, but it's actually a product of complex brain chemistry. For me, this reaction happens multiple times as I'm a very emotionally connected person. Certain songs can instantly trigger goosebumps or even bring me to tears, which made me wonder why music can affect us so powerfully. I'm sure many of you have experienced the same feeling, whether during a live concert, movie, or favorite song that seems to hit at the right moment. In this speech, I will explain the science behind musical chills, focusing on the brain chemicals involved, particularly dopamine, and how these chemical reactions influence our emotions to deepen our connection to music. When people experience musical chills, they're not just feeling emotionally moved. Instead, their brains are undergoing a measurable and physical reaction. These chills activate the same reward centers that respond to food, love, and drugs, showing how powerful music can be on a biological level. According to the psychology of aesthetics, creativity, and the arts, chills are defined as pleasurable aesthetic experiences corresponding to a peak in the intensity of felt emotion to a particular point in music. This means that chills occur at a very specific emotional moments in a song, like an unexpected harmony or lyric. These experiences are personal, as not everyone will feel chills at the same point in the same song, highlighting the connection between individual perception and emotional response. Brain regions involved in musical chills are the nucleus accumbens, amygdala, and prefrontal cortex. These areas are responsible for processing reward, emotional significance, and anticipation, which makes the experience feel intense and meaningful. With these regions, the brain releases a neurochemical called dopamine that enhances emotional pleasure and produces the musical chills. According to American Psychological Association, the human brain treats music as an alert, incentive, salient signal, and suggests that the activity of the dopamine neurons represents aspects of the phases of musical expectation and musical learning. Additionally, the National Library of Medicine states that the recruitment of dopamine circuits by music would result into changes in emotional intensity and arousal, leading to pleasurable and rewarding feelings. Musical chills aren't just physical, but they have emotional and psychological impact. Experiencing chills can make people feel more emotionally connected to the music. As explained in the article of Psychology of Music, music can both express emotions and elicit emotional responses in listeners. These responses range from less intense moods such as relaxation to strong emotional experiences. Chills often highlight moments of beauty, surprise, or personal meaning in music, and these experiences can leave a lasting emotional impression. Understanding these musical chills can explain why music is so powerful and why humans are so drawn to it. Musical chills can enhance emotional awareness and help people feel more deeply connected to the music they listen to. As noted by the National Library of Medicine, chills intensity is positively correlated with emotional breakthrough and emotional awareness, which explains why certain songs can evoke strong emotional memories, nostalgia, or personal meaning. It also explains why music is widely used in therapy, emotional regulation, and cultural traditions. Musical chills are a fascinating intersection of brain chemistry, emotion, and human experience. They occur at specific moments in music involving different brain regions and rely on dopamine to create intense pleasure. These responses are connected to music and enhance emotional awareness. Understanding how music affects our brain helps us appreciate why it has such a universal and profound impact on people, shaping memories, emotions, and social connections in ways we don't often consciously notice. So next time a song gives you chills, remember that your brain is responding to a powerful, measurable, and deeply meaningful way. Thank you.